Hey people, Matty D here, A1 Solutions Group here, doing a video today on Experian Boost. Should you use it? How does it work? All that stuff. So let's get right into it. Experian Boost, okay? It is a way that you can have your utilities payment, electric, gas, be reported on your credit report, or your rent payments, okay? Or you can, even have your cell phone payments be reported onto your Experian credit report, okay? Just Experian alone. Now, apparently, I don't know, as far as how much your score will go up, okay, one guy says, 12 points, they say average 20, I don't really know. It all depends on what's on your file. End of the day, as far as, I'm not going to sit here and tell you, oh yeah, you'll have a 12-point boost or a 30-point boost. You won't know until you do it. And again, that's determined by what's in your credit profile. If you got a lot of negative stuff on there, not as much. If you have more positive, it could go up higher. It all depends, okay? Now, the thing about to realize is that, if you're trying to build up your credit and you have bad credit, like you're in the 500s, 400s, low sixes and things like that, if you're going to add something like a new trade line, in this case, you're going to add your rental history payments, utility history payments, cell phone history payments. Here's the thing a lot of people don't realize about credit. When it comes to building credit, the negative stuff outweighs the positive. So the negative informations have more weight than the positive. So if you have more negative items on there and you're trying to add some positive stuff, it'll just cancel each other out, and you'll see no change in score. You may see like a little bit one. It's also why people want to have trade lines on there, but don't realize that like if you have stuff in collections and on repossession and things, you want to have a trade line, it ain't gonna help. You may have like this much of a jump in score. So Experian Boost, is it worth it for you? It depends on who you are and where you're at. You got a lot of negative stuff on your credit report, don't do it, just wait. If you are brand new and you're trying to get something on there, at least do it, okay? If your scores, if you have nothing bad on there, you just want to have a higher score, you can do that too. But again, at the end of the day, it depends on who you are and what you're trying to do and everything else. So with that is my opinion on it, my thought process. I want to know what your thoughts are. Comment below. Let me know. Let us know what you think. Okay. Any questions or anything. And and if you like this video, subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and then also hit that notification bell also too. With that being said, I'm done. And those of you already you want to work in credit with us, number is in the description below. Peace.